Hello, you guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to create content since a long time. और मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा है because Instagram is fully script, hook, everything so systematic. And when it comes to YouTube, it's all about just being yourself, which I love. But today we are going to do a very simple college makeup look. I know it's monsoon, college are going to start. So I thought, you know what, let's create a very simple, a very natural, a very minimal makeup look so that you don't even need a lot of makeup products. Just 4 to 5 are enough for it. Starting with a very basic product, this is the Hyphen lip balm. This is the tinted one. They did reformulated the lip balm. So earlier I did not like the formulation, but now it's like really nice. And oh, look at the pigmentation. Dude, this is really pigmented. Okay. It's affordable as well, so if you don't want to use a lipstick or a lip gloss, you can totally take this and just look at it. It just gives you that nice red flushed lips, and it's lip balm. It's so good. You definitely have to check it out. Okay, before I start, I want to prep my skin with the Mineralogy toner. Now, actually, you guys don't know, but I work with this brand called Mineralogy. I help them with the marketing stuff. So we are gonna launch this product super soon. So I'm testing out the product. I love it. You guys will also. So I'm just using a hydrating toner to moisturize my face. This has such a nice smell and is so hydrating. It will also give you that slight tingling, cooling sensation. It's very nice. For moisturizer, I have a lot of options for you guys. I am going to use this simple moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer to use, almost over, and it's perfect to use for normal to dry skin. Oily combination skin, you would not like this moisturizer, but it's very light and hydrating, plus it's affordable. So if you're college going girl, this is under budget. Now, of course, for my oily combination girls, I have two options. This is the Minimalist B12 Repair Complex Moisturizer. It has this pink texture. Wait, I'll show you. It's so nice. I've almost emptied it. तो इसे निकालना पड़ेगा दबा के. Ah, damn it. So I wanted to show you this moisturizer. Look at the texture, the color. It's so nice. I've used this the whole freaking summer. This is under 500 rupees, so it's affordable and great if you have oily skin. Another favorite of mine is this Wishcare NMF Water Gel Moisturizer. This is literally like water. I'll show you. Texture. Ooh, look at it. It is so light. It's just like water. And again, if you have oily combination, even acne prone skin, this will go so smoothly. Even I've used this a lot. I literally love this product. Honestly, I used to never wear makeup to college. I don't know how people are doing it right now, but मैं अपने time में सिर्फ sunscreen लगा के जाती थी and a moisturizer, that's it. उसके सिवा I did not do anything. But now that we have all this trend, so I have 4 different options for different skin types. Okay, I'll start with my favorite tinted sunscreen. I will highly recommend you guys to skip a foundation, a concealer, a skin tint also, because tinted sunscreen will do the job. If you have normal to dry skin, this one is perfect for you. I know a lot of people love this, and it is literally so good. But this is again my favorite. This is the Eclipse Solar tinted sunscreen. So this is a hybrid sunscreen. Okay, I will use this today. But for my oily to combination skin, I have two of my favorite products, Foxtale's tinted sunscreen and the Wishcare tinted sunscreen. This is especially for oily to very oily skin. Plus, they have diverse shades to use. If you have oily to combination skin, you have to have this. I'm using the Eclipse Solar tinted sunscreen. This is a brand that a lot of dermatologists recommend it, and look at the texture, it's so light, but it is available in only one universal shade. Uska bhi ek reason hai, because this is like a hybrid sunscreen. Matlab, it has mineral and chemical filters both. Just look at it. It's just like water and melts into your skin and gives you a very universal sheen. So do not expect this to hide your dark circles or your dark spots. It will just enhance your skin, give you a even looking skin tone, but nothing more than that. Look at that glow. Look at my skin. It looks so much better. Like, I don't remember I have applied any skin tint or foundation or concealer while I'm out in the summer. Tinted sunscreen is the best product. It will protect you plus give you that coverage. So why would you layer more products? So the next thing is lip and cheek tint. These are my favorites. The Prush Beauty Jelly Tint. Although मैंने इसे तोड़ दिया है, but it's so good. I'll just show you. You just have to apply it like this and blend it with your fingers. You're done. You are done. Just look at that flush of color. The skin is flushing from within. It's not too harsh, not too subtle, just perfect, and I love it. You can also use this on your lips. That's so good. Now, if you have oily skin and want a tint to stay for long hours, Etude is the one that you need. It's affordable, but the tint is very pigmented. Okay, so you have to use the tiniest dot, especially if you are fair tone girly. For medium to dusky to deep skin tone, this will give you such a nice pigmented tint. But look at it, just blend it within seconds, and this also looks so good. Just try to build it in layers ताकि patchy ना लगे. The main problem with this water tint is if you don't blend it nicely and quickly, it might get patchy. But look at that, it's so nice, flushy. I love it. This is the newest launch by L'Oreal Paris. This is their lip and cheek tint. I I have the shade Tea Time. This is a perfect lip and cheek tint for someone who has more deep to dusky skin tone. Like, look at it. It's it's so lightweight. It has this watery gel-like texture. This reminds me of the Rare Beauty lip oil. Like, I love that. It, look at it. It also gives you that cooling sensation. It's so lightweight, it's so comfortable, plus it will give you the tint. But the only problem with this one is the tint is not very long lasting. I've used this before, but this will not last you for more than 2 to 3 hours. So I really expected L'Oreal to give me more long lasting tint. But theek hai, the color is nice, the payoff is nice. If you wanted a dupe of the Rare Beauty lip oil, then get this one. Now, honestly speaking, as a friend, I would not recommend you to use kajal every day, to use mascaras every day. So our eyes are really sensitive, and something that you're using that's full of chemicals, especially the kajals that are waterproof, the mascaras that are waterproof, they have PFAs that are forever chemicals that stay in your body and it does not leave very soon. So I've seen a lot of people commenting that they have gotten red eye irritation just because the kajal did not suit and it took 4 months to get rid of it. If you want to, you can go with the eyeliner just on your upper lash line. That's it. Kajal mascara kabhi kabhi laga liya once or twice in a week is totally okay, but using these things every day, I would not suggest anybody. I did a very simple eyeliner. I did not even draw a wing because if by mistake I did something wrong, it will take half an hour more, so let it be. Final step is compact powder, the Nykaa one and the Renee one. I love the Renee one. I feel this is such an underrated product. This is a waterproof compact powder, plus it's very travel friendly. I'm just gonna dab the excess on the back of my hand, remove any creases if present, and then I'm gonna set my face so that everything stays. This step is really important if you have oily skin. Now I have a dry skin, तो मैं skip भी कर देती तो चलता, but I wanted to show you guys. Seriously, मुझे तो समझ में ही नहीं आता who are these people who are doing so much of makeup and going to the college. I would literally get ready in 1 hour because मैं तो हमेशा लेट ही उठती थी. तो मेरे पास तो ये सारी चीज़ें करने की कोई टाइम होता नहीं था. But if you are very polished kind of girl, if you feel like no, I have to be pretty all the time, or if you have any event, you can do this simple, natural makeup. Plus, all of the products that I've shown are under budget. So yeah, this is the final look. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate if you can drop some content suggestions, like the videos that I can make after this. I am trying to be consistent and I want to be, so It would really help if you can just like this video and comment down which video would you like to see next from me. Bye bye.